National symbols of India.
Father of nation.
Mahatma Gandhi.
National animal.
Bengal tiger.
National aquatic animal.
Ganga river dolphin.
National heritage animal.
Elephant.
National bird.
Peacock.
National anthem.
Janagadamana.
National song.
Vande Mataram.
National calendar.
Saka calendar.
National dress.
Dhoti.
National emblem.
Emblem. Land capital.
National flag.
Tirang.
National flower.
Lotus.
National fruit.
Mango.
Good. National sport.
Hockey.
National monument.
India Gate.
National poet.
Poet Rabindranath Tagore.
National river.
Ganga river.
National sweet.
Jalebi.
National tree.
Banyan tree.
National motto.
Satyameva Jayate.
National reptile.
King Cobra.
National days.
Gandhi Jayanti, Republic Day, Independence Day.
Good. National currency.
Indian rupee.
National vegetable.
Pumpkin.
National language.
Hindi in Devanagari script.
National information letter.
White letter.
Super.